Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel Dauntless Study Hub. And in this video, we are going to discuss, actually not discuss, but you are going to attend these current affair questions. And if you have not read current affair yet, then please close this video right now. Go back to your current affair notes and complete your current affairs of March month and then attend this quiz. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. So our first question is, who was crowned with Miss Universe 2019 title? And the options are Bonang Mathiba, second Catriona Gray, and third Zozobini Tunzi. Our second question is, which state has topped in the second edition of Sustainable Development Goals Index for the year 2019? And the options are first Kerala, second West Bengal, third Assam, and fourth Gujarat. Our third question is, who received the 50th Dada Sahab Phalke Award for the year 2018 from President Ram Nath Kovind in Delhi for the outstanding contribution in the film industry? And the options are first Sanjay Dutt, second Lata Mangeshkar, third Amitabh Bachchan, and fourth Dharmendra. Our fourth question is, the World Tuberculosis Day 2020 is observed annually on March 24. What is the theme for the World TB Day 2020? And the options are first, Unite to End TB, second, It's Time, third, Wanted Leaders for a TB Free World, and fourth, It's Time to End TB. गाइस इसमें थीम तो चलो मैंने पूछ ली कि क्या है टीबी डे की, लेकिन तुम्हें इसमें डे भी पता होना चाहिए कि किस डे को ट्यूबरक्लोसिस डे ऑब्जर्व होता है. Our fifth question is, the World Down Syndrome Day is observed annually on March 21 to raise awareness and provide support to the patients suffering from Down syndrome. What is the theme for World Down Syndrome Day 2020? तो बेसिकली इसमें आपको थीम बताना है वर्ल्ड डाउन सिंड्रोम डे 2020 का. तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज माई वॉइस माई कम्युनिटी, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज माई फ्रेंड्स माई कम्युनिटी, third option is my opportunities, my choices, and fourth, what I bring to the workplace, and fifth option is we decide. तो इसमें भी मैंने थीम पूछा है, लेकिन हो सकता है कि जो एग्ज़ाम है उसमें थीम ना पूछ के डे पूछ लें कि किस डे को वर्ल्ड डाउन सिंड्रोम डे सेलिब्रेट होता है, तो इसलिए आपको डे एंड थीम दोनों पता होनी चाहिए. Our sixth question is, the theme for World Sparrow Day is I love sparrows. The World Sparrow Day is celebrated annually on, and the options are first April 5, second July 16, third March 20, fourth January 22, and fifth September 12. Our seventh question is, name the Indian city which is going to host the 6th International Yoga Day on June 21, 2020. And the options are first Shimla, second New Delhi, third Jammu, fourth Leh, fifth Gangtok. Our eighth question is, the theme for Zero Discrimination Day 2020 is Zero Discrimination Against Women and Girls. The Zero Discrimination Day is observed annually on, the options are first April 15, second March 1st, third January 29, and fourth February 28. गाइस इसमें डे से ज़्यादा थीम इम्पॉर्टेंट है. मैंने थीम तो दे दिया है क्वेश्चन में ही, आपको डे बताना है, बट प्लीज़ इसका थीम लर्न कर लो बिकॉज इसकी थीम बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है इस डे की. Our ninth question is, the International Women's Day celebrated annually on March 8th. What is the theme of International Women's Day 2020? And the options are first, Time is Now, Rural and Urban Activist Transforming Women's Lives. And the second option is Think Equal, Build Smart, Innovate for a Change. And the third option is Women in the Changing World of Work, Planet 50-50 by 2030. And the option fourth is Planet 50-50 by 2030, Step It for Gender Equality, and the option fifth is I Am Generation Equality, Realizing Women's Right. The 10th question is the book Chronicles of Change Champions, released by Union Women and Child Development Minister Smriti Irani, was based on which scheme? And the options are first, One Stop Center Scheme, second, Nari Shakti Puraskar Scheme, third, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Scheme, fourth, Women Helpline Scheme, and fifth, Ujjwala Scheme. Our 11th question is name the person who has become the youngest cricketer to play any ICC World Cup finals. And the options are first, Sandeep Lami Khane, second, Hardik Pandya, third, Shefali Verma, and fourth, Rashid Khan. Our 12th question is what is India's rank in UN's 8th World Happiness Report 2020, which comprises of 156 countries? And the options are first, 89, second, 112, third, 127, fourth, 116, and fifth, 144. Our 13th question is name the city which is going to host the 5th edition of BIMSTEC Summit in the month of September 2020, and the options are first, Bangkok, second, New Delhi, third, Colombo, and fourth, Kathmandu. And our 14th question is the Indian Air Force first women fighter pilots who got Nari Shakti Puraskar for 2019 is or are first, Mohana Jatarwal, second, Avani Chaturvedi, third, Bhavana Kant, and fourth option is both 1 and 2 are correct, and the fifth option is 1, 2, and 3 options are correct. Our 15th question is under which article of Indian Constitution the President nominates Rajya Sabha members? And the options are first, Article 79, second, Article 81, third, Article 80, and fourth, Article 78. And our 16th question is the World Health Organization has announced COVID-19 as what disease? And the options are first, genetic, second, epidemic, third, endemic, and fourth, pandemic. Our 17th question is name the country which has hosted the virtual group of 20 G20 summit, and the options are first, Australia, second, Brazil, third, India, fourth, Japan, and fifth, Saudi Arabia. Our 18th question is find the person who replaced Rajiv Kumar as the new Finance Secretary of India, and the options are first, Atanu Chakraborty, second, Debashis, and third, Rajiv Kumar, fourth, T.V. Somanathan, and fifth, Ajay Bhushan Pandey. Our 19th question is name the person who has been appointed as Director General of Defense Intelligence Agency by Defense Ministry in March 2020, and the options are first, Samant Goyal, second, A.K. Doval, third, K.J.S. Dhillon, and fourth, Avtar Singh. Our 20th question is name the person who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Yes Bank, and the options are first, Prashant Kumar, second, Sunil Mehta, third, Mahesh Krishnamurthy, and fourth, Rana Kapoor. Before discussing the answers or revealing the answers, please जिन्होंने भी question attempt नहीं किए हैं, go back to the video, attempt these question in a paper first, and then cross check the answers. Correct answers are first question का है C, second question का है A, third का है C, fourth का है B, fifth का है E, सिक्स्थ का है सी, सेवेंथ का है डी, एट्थ का है बी, नाइन्थ का है ई, टेंथ इज सी, 11th इज सी, 12th इज ई, 13th is C, 14th is E, 15th is C, 16th is D, 17th is E, 18th is E, 19th is C and 20th question का आंसर है A. So guys, please comment your marks in the comment section below, and if you want more videos of current affairs, do let me know in the comment section below. And guys, please ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करो. तुम लोग बिल्कुल भी शेयर नहीं करते यार. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.